In this tutorial, I will be georeferencing this map. This is a old map of Nepal, which is in Modified Universal Transverse Mercator system. And in this tutorial today, I will be georeferencing in this kind of map. So for this, what you need to do is you simply go to raster and go to georeferencer. And once you go there, you just have to go on this option, just click on this, left click this open raster, and just select the data, the raster data, the scan map that you have which you want to georeference. Simply left click and just open. And now once you do that, now what we need to do is that here already coordinates are present in this map in the form of grid, like you can see here in the form of MUTM, easting and northing. The coordinates are given here. One thing you need to be aware of these coordinates is that this actual coordinate means 440 then 1000 meter. Like here 39, it means 439,000 meter. Likewise, and this is for easting, and likewise for northing also you need to here one thing, and that is here 3070,000 meter. This is the northing. Likewise, so this 71 is 3071,000 meter, and we are going to, and this means suppose this point means the coordinate for this point will be for this grid will be, for this exactly this grid will be this not this x component will be this 439 and 1000 meter, and y component will be 3064,000 meter. So for this and similar, this concept same concept will be applied to rest of all the grids, and we are going to make it. So now what we will do is we'll simply add the coordinate, and by default the software it will be in this option, add coordinate, add point. If it's not, then simply click here and that option will be enabled in there in your interface. Then you simply have to go here, and suppose this is the coordinate that I want to keep it. Then what you need to do is you simply go to just here 39, and here another is 64. Now just what we need to do is just go to the intersection point, and you need to be aware of this one thing, which is the coordinate system that you are going to assign here, because once you click here a lots of options will come here. And since I have already defined the coordinate system MUTM system for this task, because QGIS does not give this coordinate system by default. You need to do it with custom projection. So before doing this all steps, I suggest you to just make a custom projection and have this kind of data set and come here. So since in my case I have already done this, so I will be just selecting this coordinate system MUTM. Simply select it and click on OK, and just click on OK. So our 1.1 GCP has been added. Now we are going to apply the same process for all the rest of the grid. Then once you give the coordinate, you need to go to this yellow kind of setting option called transformation settings. Simply left click there, then you need to choose the type of transformation parameters. This transformation type, here are lots of options. It all depends on the kind of data you have and what kind of project you are doing. So I'm simply going with this polynomial one, and resampling method for me it will be linear, and target is showing which target want this data to be in. So it will be in that system where we have assigned the coordinate. By default it will be in this MUTM WGS. And output raster, where you want to save it, you simply just click these three dot icons and just go to let's go to output, and let's say here give it a name. And compression, you can select it simply none, all else I'll be simply going with LZW. You can also select it none, choose other option, and do some kind of experiment. And so save GCP points. By default the GCP will be saved, and once everything is done, simply click on OK. Now you can see here the error, residual error. This pixel means with what kind of precision you have selected the points. So I suggest one more suggestion that I want to give here. While you give this kind of information, since you have to select the intersection point between this, let's say this and this, so you need to be aware of one thing, and that is suppose this is the intersection, just since this is the white kind of background, and if you are giving choosing the grid coordinate intersection, then better choose the white kind of background. Don't choose this green now, because if you zoom in here, and it's now where do you want to click here, which intersection to select. So if you are going with this green kind of, go with this green kind of background. And if you are going with this white kind of background, let's say here, and you go with this white kind of background, it will be easy for you to exactly choose the point, the intersection, to find the intersection point. It will be quite easy. So, and if you do that thing, and here the residual pixel errors will also decrease. So since here my error is residual pixel is below 1, so it is quite satisfactory. So I'm going with this. And finally, now just you need to go on this start georeferencing. So now it's saying that georeferencing has been successful. Now we need to go here. Now you can see here georeference, it has come here, and now we can see here this actually this is the map of Bootle. This is actually Bootle, and I'm using the OSM background. So if you have the satellite background like OSM or Google, then it will be easy for you to identify whether it has actually been georeferenced or not. And now you can see here it exactly fits, it fits exactly. Now this is the Mahindra highway, and the road, this yellow kind, this red region that you have seen here, this is also the Mahindra highway. So it seems as if this data has been georeferenced perfectly. Now once I have georeferenced this, I can digitalize it and extract all other past information that were present. So that's how you do the georeferencing. And also make sure of one thing, that the coordinate system that you have assigned here, you can see this in this source coordinate reference system, and this here is in which system. This is here. Let it be it should be the same in here as well, and then only this thing will fit. So that's how you do georeferencing in QGIS. So thank you viewers for watching this tutorial. We are going to meet soon in other upcoming videos. Thank you.